how to create this.
Let's go to the mobile screen. Open your browser.
Search BING. Pass this prompt. Click the Create. Click three dots. Download your image. Click three dots. Download your favorite image. Don't forget subscribe.